So now talking about this IT quiz, which we are going to organize on the online platform. I hope all of you must have been giving certain quizzes in these many years. Students of class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, you must have appeared in certain quizzes in this many years. So now when we are talking about this quiz in the online platform, so there are certain things, certain guidelines which we will be following in this quiz. As you have been earlier also told by your school and through my communication also, that this quiz, since it is going to be in an online platform in this pandemic situation when everything have been taken up in the online mode, so we thought why not to have this online quiz also in the online platform. So keeping this in mind, we had just sent a communication to your schools and to which your schools have responded, and finally tomorrow we have the IT quiz, right? Now in this quiz, basically certain things which I would like all of you to take care of. First thing, your sitting positions. You have to adjust your desk and your chairs such that you are clearly visible to us, because we are going to monitor you, we are going to proctor your test. So you should be clearly visible, your hands should be clearly visible. Like if I say, I'm just talking about Ujan, if you could just take your camera a bit back or your lower down so that your hands are also visible. All of you, if you could just like Akansha, the way Akansha is sitting, that's the perfect posture. That you should be clearly visible, right? You should be clearly visible on the screen. The height of the chair and your height of table should be such that you are properly visible to us. Your computer should be connected and your chairs should be there so that you are comfortable for the 40 minutes or 1 hour to which you are sitting. Means you have to take care of the ergonomics also, that you should not start having a back pain or your hands and legs should start paining when you are giving the test. So you should be properly taking care of these factors. Next, as I have told you, you will be wearing your school uniform. Many of you are in school uniform, so you should be in your school uniform when you are there to give the test. So you have to be careful, or you have to take care that you wear the school uniform. Place your school logo, right? Your school logo should be there as the background of your Zoom, right? Like if I see there are students who have put their backgrounds, like Kushagra has done, Ujan has done. So your background, your school logo, because you are representing yourself, you are representing your school. So your school logo should be there at the background. So when you are doing so, you have to be careful, you have to take care that you are not wearing white uniform, right? What happens that if your school dress is having a white uniform, then what you can do, you can put your blazer also so that you are clearly visible, you are properly visible to us. So that thing should be taken care of when you are giving this online test, right? When you are giving this online test, you should be careful that you are using your school picture as the background when you are giving the test. Next thing, when you are going to give the online test, right? When you are going to give the written test, when you are giving it, so you should have a blank paper, right? You should have a blank paper along with you, which you will be showing before the beginning of the test, right? Before the beginning of the test, you have to show the paper. Plus, you also should be careful that you in the written test, you are not going to have any calculation based questions, or there are no calculation type questions. So not necessary that you are having a notebook along with you or you need any other device or any other thing. So you should be technically without any reference material with you, right? Since we are going on in this online mode, so we need to be careful for these things also when we are giving the test. Then talking about the quiz. The quiz, as it is told to you, that the quiz is an online quiz and it consists of two parts. The first is the prelims and the second is the main final quiz. In the prelims, you will be given 40 questions, right? 40 questions are there, carrying 50 marks, and 20 minutes time is given to you, right? 20 minutes time is there, 40 questions will be there. You have, and all these questions are one word questions only. So 20 minutes is a sufficient time. I myself have practiced giving that test. So it is a sufficient time. Tomorrow sharp at 9. Again, I'll be sending you a link. I'll be sending the link tonight only. So you will be getting that link. You have to connect at 9 a.m. We'll be beginning the test, and after 20 minutes or within that 20 minutes, you have to submit your response. Once the time of 20 minutes is over, responses will not be accepted. It means your answers have not been submitted. So you have to ensure that you submit your response within the given 20 minutes time, right? Your response has to be submitted within the 20 minutes time. Once it is done, at 11 a.m., the teams who have qualified, right? The teams who will be qualifying for the final round, they will be informed through the WhatsApp message, the broadcast list which I have created, plus will be making a phone call to you also. If there are few whose the phone number and the WhatsApp number are different, what you can do that you can send me a WhatsApp message that this is my contact number, right? So that you can do. Otherwise, you will be missing your final round. So those of you who will be qualifying for the final round, they will be getting a call and they will be getting the message also. Do not call and inquire that whether I have qualified or not. If you are not qualified, means if you are not getting a message, means you are not qualified. That depends how you are attempting for the prelims question. As I told, once those teams who have qualified, they are getting the information that at 11 a.m. you are qualified, and 11:30 the final quiz will begin, right? So those of you who have qualified for the IT quiz, they should be ready for the quiz again at 11:30, for which only those 6 team members or those 6 teams will be getting a link for the final quiz. The quiz will last for around 1 or 1.5 hours. The results will be declared the next day. Sunday, 13th November, we will have the live streaming of the quiz. So the results will be declared during that session only. So all of you, whether you are qualifying for the quiz or you are not qualifying for the finals, you must attend, because your involvement will also be there, and you could acknowledge your schools also that this is the thing, and the links will be sent to you. You can send it to your schools also, and they will also be using it for their reference. Okay. Ms. Shalini, if you could just take up the further part.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, students. I think every instructions are clear for all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question you may ask from us, because from tomorrow onwards you don't have any time to ask anything. So you just clear everything today only. And these things you have very careful with this, that 2 things are very important for you. Your data must be strong, because if once you are out from the meeting room, you will be out from the quiz also. So these things be careful with. And the guidelines link is there in the chat. So you may go through and just see whether link is opening or not.
When I came to know that St. Xavier School Ranchi is holding an inter-school quiz contest, my first question is, how is it possible? They said we are going to conduct in online and we'll do it. So I was very much enthusiastic to know how much is the participation they were expecting. They said it's going to be a good participation, but later on came to know a lot of schools across have agreed to participate. I was really taken aback, and I was really enthusiastic. Oh, how can we have such things? It'll be really example will be set to the school, to the world over, that during this pandemic, a lot of things can happen if tried. And I really appreciate your efforts, students, that you have come forward and you're participating in this quiz contest. I really appreciate, and I wish you all the best. Do well and keep the momentum going. Let's show it to the world that pandemic or no pandemic, we can do, and we will do.
Very good morning to all of you. So here we are for the IT quiz 2020, right? I think this, for me, it's for the first time we are conducting the quiz on the online platform, right? We at St. Xavier's have been conducting IT quizzes since the year 2012. Every year we have been conducting quizzes, IT quiz, and in different platforms. Some of you might have participated earlier also. We'll just wait for a few minutes till all the teams join. Then we begin with the introduction part.
Good morning, one and all present here. We welcome you in this IT first ever online IT quiz. And let me talk about first about regarding this IT quiz. So in any level of our academics, we will be required to know a lot of things about computers, isn't it? Some of us go for in a depth knowledge of computers, while others just have to know the basics. And they find it okay. All the participants who have gathered here from various parts of our country obviously have a nice towards this computers and IT, which has made them to take part in this IT quiz, or we say online IT quiz. And in this pandemic situation, even you all being a participants are very excited to participate in this. Yes or no, boys or girls?
Yes.
And so this quiz will evaluate how you all are aware of the IT industries. IT, as all of us know, is the driving force of the world today. As you all are doing the online classes, even being a class 9, standard 9th or 10th students, you all have given examinations also online in your school?
Yes, ma'am.
By sitting in your home?
Yes.
By sitting in home only?
Yes.
I think you all are enjoying this online classes, online exams.
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday some teams are absent. So first what I do, first I just tell you the guidelines regarding this IT quiz. As we can see, some of you have switched off your webcam. Kindly switch on your webcam.
Okay, so good morning, students. Thank you, Ms. Shalini, for your introduction. So, students, on behalf of St. Xavier's Doranda, I would like to welcome you all to this first ever online IT quiz. Now, when we talk about IT, information technology in this current scenario, in this current world, it is the driving force. Even if we talk about the pandemic situation, the information technology is the branch, or it is the stream which has helped us a lot. It has helped us in the communication, in the education, even if you talk about these vaccinations which are being developed. So all this involve the use of information technology. And if we say about our country, India, we have been the pioneers of this information technology. Not now, but even from the ancient ages, we have been in this scenario where we have been developing a lot regarding information technology. We have been pioneers in various fields. Even if you talk about the binary number system, developing 0. India only developed 0. That's 1 or 50% of the binary system we have developed. So we have been, even if we talk about our state, many of you are from Jharkhand, so even our state, it has been pioneers in various fields. So congratulations to all of you for participating in this online IT quiz. Now, when we talk about anything, any act, without the presence of God, nothing is successful. God is responsible for all the walks of life. Similarly, we at St. Xavier's believe in God, believe in the existence of God to lead us in the holy feet of God, and for the success of our event, we have our principal, Father Sanjay Keketa, Father Vice Principal, Father Fuldev Soring. They are here to guide us and pray for the success of the event. Good morning, Father Sanjay and Father Fuldev.
Good morning, Santosh and students.
May I request Father Sanjay to pray for us and lead us to the beginning of this IT quiz. Father Sanjay, please.
Good morning, every one of you. Am I audible enough?
Yes.
Yeah, Father.
Yes, Father.
So let us begin with. First of all, I invite every one of you to pause for a while. Let us silence ourselves. In the silence of our hearts, let us be aware wherever we are. Our presence there. Our presence in the presence of the Almighty God. His overwhelming blessings that we keep receiving each and every moment. We especially thank God for Mr. Santosh, who with great efforts has made this to happen. Yesterday, all of you had the preliminary session, and today you have this session. In every event of our life, every minute of our life, every second of our life, God exists and He guides us. It is His presence that we are filled with creativity. Let us be thankful to God for each and every participant. For St. Xavier's School, we are thankful to God. For all the schools that are participating, we are thankful to God. We be thankful to God for the principals of all these schools who have promoted and encouraged and motivated students to be part of it. In fact, the entire world that suffers still because of the pandemic. May God help us to be creative even in this situation. Let Him fill us with hope and courage. For this event to be successful, I pray to God that He showers His blessings upon us. We make this prayer in your holy name. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your
Thank you.
prayers. With your blessings, we will be successful in carrying out the events. And may God be with all the participants and wish them all the best. Now, students, you will be getting a link in the chat box. You have to open the link and you have to attempt the questions. The guidelines are given. And remember, you have only 20 minutes to attempt the question. Right. So, with this, we are here with the final round of the IT quiz. Congratulations to all the teams for qualifying to the final round. All of you have done really well in this prelims, and this is the result that you are here in the final round. Congratulations to all of you for reaching to the final round. May I request all the participants to ensure that you are in a audio zone from where you do not get any disturbance, right? You should not have any disturbance, some traffic or some, you can tell your house members at your people at your house that they should remain quiet till the quiz is going on. In between, if there is any disturbance or any error, you can again rejoin to this meeting. We will have in two parts this quiz. First, we will have few rounds, then again the second round. I'll be informing when to join next. The same ID you'll be using when we come for this next round. I'll request all of you to maintain a proper disposition till when you are in the quiz, right? There should be a perfect disposition. Your clear visibility is expected. May I request the teams to introduce them one by one. Then we will begin with the further proceedings. We start with team number 203.
Hello, I am Vaishnav.
I am Ishan.
We both are in class 11.
Class 11, right? You are from, you will be mentioning your names, you will be mentioning your school. Yeah.
Sir, I am from DPS RK-Puram.
Yes, RK-Puram, okay. Ishan, what's your date of birth?
The 22nd July
22nd July
2003.
Year?
2003.
22nd July 2003, okay. Then we have team number 209.
My name is Kushagra.
I'm Tulip Maurya.
Okay, Tulip, your date of birth?
28/4/2004.
28/4/2004, okay. Then we have team
And mine is
210.
Marks.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Riya Sharavati Mohan and Sakshi. We both are from class 10, Secretariat School.
Okay. Your date of birth, Sakshi?
24th September 2005.
Okay. Then we have team number 211.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Harsh Kumar Tiwari from St. Charles School, class 10th. My date of birth is 25th February 2005.
And I am Abhishek from St. Charles. My date of birth is 28th Feb 2005.
Okay. Harsh and Abhishek, your voice is echoing. You could just take a note of it. Then we Then we have team number 215. 215.
Good morning. My name is Shan. I am from class 11th from Sharda Global School, and my date of birth is 23rd July 2004.
Okay.
My name is Ashish Ranjan and I am from Sharda Global School and I am from class 11 and my date of birth is 7 June 2004.
Okay, good. And then we have team number 223.
Good morning, everyone. I am Gurpreet Singh Khurana from St. Xavier School, Doronda. My date of birth is 2nd January 2002.
I am Yuvraj Singh from St. Xavier School, Doronda. My date of birth is 23rd April 2004.
Okay. Are you ready, students? Teams, are you ready?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, how's the Josh?
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So, the rounds for the quiz are, the quiz consists of the following rounds. We have Father Vice Principal with us, Father Ignatius Lakra. He is also the Vice Principal of the school. He is also with us to witness the quiz. The quiz consists of the following rounds. The first round is first come, first serve. Second round is general IT awareness. The third round is real versus real. The fourth round is decrypt me. 5th round, company slogans. 6th round, pick and bid round. 7th round is double trouble round. And 8th round is Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi. So as we proceed with the quiz, you will be finding the quiz. I can see smiles on the faces of Sakshi and Riya. So wish them all the best, and all the best to all the teams also. May the best team win. Because along with first, second and third prizes, we have cash prizes also sponsored by Extra Marks, right? So first prize is 10,000, second prize 6,000 rupees, third prize 4,000 rupees. Now, when we talk about the rounds, depending upon the various order, we will be asking questions in different ways, right? So for the first round, it's first come, first serve. In this round, you will be containing questions asking first in certain IT fields. Correct answer will give you 20 marks, and if you answer wrong, then you lose 10 marks, right? Keeping in order that we are having this online quiz, we are not going to have pass rounds. Questions will not be passing to other rounds. It will be a straightforward question, right? So, first round, we are beginning with team number 1 to team number 6. This will be the order which we will be following. When you speak, that time you must unmute yourself, right? You must unmute yourself first. So first question will go to team number 1. Remember, you have 10 seconds to answer the question. The question will appear for you on your screen for 10 seconds. After that, it will disappear. As soon as the screen disappears, the question disappears from the screen, you have to answer the question, right? So, first question of the day to team number 1. What is the name of India's first supercomputer? Team number 1. What is the name of India's first supercomputer?
Sir, Param 8000.
Param 8000. Let's check whether it is correct. Yes, correct answer. Param 8000 is India's first supercomputer. So 20 points to team number 1. Okay. Now, the next question goes to team number 2. Who was the first CEO of TCS? Who was the first CEO of TCS?
Salil Parekh.
Who?
Salil Parekh.
Salil Parekh. Okay, let's see. Wrong. It's Fakir Chand Kohli. Students, you should not be so fast in answering. You had still time, right? Fakir Chand Kohli, he was the founder and the first CEO of Tata Consultant Service, born on 19th March 1924, and he died recently on 26th November 2020. Right? Okay, so Sacred Heart gets minus 10. Don't worry, what? Next question, team number 3. What is the first programmable general purpose electronic digital computer?
ENIAC.
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 Okay, let's check the answer. Yes, it's ENIAC. 20 points to team number 3. Then next question to team number 4. Who was the first Minister of Communication and Information Technology of independent India? Who was the first Minister of Communication and Information Technology of independent India? Yeah. 2 seconds more. Let's check the answer.
R. Subramaniam.
Wrong. It's Mr. Rafi Ahmad Kidwai. Minus 10. Next question to team number 5. Which is the first Indian state to present digital budget? first Indian state?
Assam.
Sir, Assam.
Assam.
Okay, let's check the answer. Correct answer, Assam. Very good. So 20 points to St. Charles. Okay. Next question is for team number 6. What is the first Indian cinema released through internet? Now we have this OTT and all, but what
Viva.
was? Yes,
Viva.
Viva. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Correct answer, Viva. So this brings us to an end of round 1. May we have the scores after this round?
Yeah, team 1 have 20 points. Team 2 minus 10. Don't worry, Sacred Heart girls. Then team 3, 20 again. Team 4 minus 10. Better luck next time. Team 5, 20, and team 6 again 20.
Okay. Team number 4, do you have any queries? You have raised hand in between.
So like if you ask the name of any person, so if we know half the name, not the title, or if we know the title, then
If the question answer is Raja Ram Mohan Rai and you say Raja and then you say Ram Mohan, so I will not find a complete answer, right? The boards, the CBSE and ICSE boards, in the board examinations they allow it, but if I say okay Sachin Tendulkar and again you only say Sachin, so it can be some other Sachin also. So obviously the identification should be there. Obviously a short name will be there, it can be accepted. Means it should not be a misguiding name. It should mean that name only, then only it's okay, right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we come to round 2. Round 2 is general IT awareness, right? This round will contain questions with 4 options. IT 203. Yeah. Any doubt?
Sir, we can't see camera on for team number 6.
Team number 6. Actually, they have 2 cameras, I think. They have 2 screens. One they are using for the audio and one for the video.
Okay, sir, no problem. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so there are 4 options. It's some MCQ. Correct answer will give you 20 marks. Wrong answer, minus 10. This round also, questions will not pass to the other team. Let's begin this round, this time with team number 6. Okay, we'll go anti-clockwise. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? 17th September, 4th April, 2nd December,
2nd December.
Yes?
2nd December.
2nd December. Let's check the correct answer. Yeah, correct. 20 points. 2nd December. Next question for team number 5. Who has authored the book A Better India, A Better World? APJ Kalam, Sundar Pichai, Satish Gopalan, N.R. Narayan Murthy.
Option 4, N.R. Narayan Murthy.
Okay, correct. N.R. Narayan Murthy. Okay. Next question for team number 4. Ola Cabs is an Indian transportation network company. Who is the CEO of the company?
Option 3, Dara Khosrowshahi.
Dara Khosrowshahi. Okay, let's check. Wrong. It's Bhavish Agarwal. Minus 10. Okay, next, team number 3. What is the maximum limit of characters of a tweet on Twitter? Twitter always comes in the news. Yes, DPS Arkepuram.
Sir, is it 280? I guess earlier it was 140, but oh, yes.
Okay. 20. Next question, team number 2. When was Quora found?
2009.
2009. 20 points. Next question for team number 1. How many bits are there in an IP address of IP version 4? How many bits are there in an IP address of IP version 4? Options are 16, 32, 48, 64. How many bits are there in an IP address of IP version 4? 16, 32, 48, 64.
Sir, 64.
64 is the wrong answer. It's 32 bits only. So minus 10. Okay. So now we come to the end of round 2. After end of round 2, what's the score?
After round 2, team 1 have minus 10.
So total becomes 10. Okay. Team 1.
Team 2 have 20. So total is 10 again.
Okay.
Team 1 total 10. Team 2 again 10. Team 3 40. Team 4 minus 20. Team 5 40. Team 6 40.
Okay. So we have team number 3, 5 and 6 with 40. Team number 1 and 2 with 10. And team number 4 with minus 20. Okay. Now we come to round number 3. It is real versus real. All of you like to watch movies. In the movies, there are certain things which are done manually, certain things which are done actually. So this round, basically what you will be seeing, that there will be a still image which has been captured from the movie sets. That is real. But there are certain things which are represented on the reel. So real versus real. Ms. Shalini is going to tell what is it actually, what does it happen actually. So Ms. if you could just explain the students, what is that technology?
Yeah, children, I think you know very much familiar with this VFX things. VFX allows.
Miss.
Isn't it? Okay. So VFX allows filmmakers to create environments, objects, creatures, and even people that would otherwise be impractical or impossible to film in the context of a live action shot. Why this VFX actually important for our movies nowadays? Actually, using VFX technology not only helps you create scenes under budget, but also save a lot of time. Additionally, VFX can help you show dragons and aliens and other impossible things which otherwise would require visual tools. And VFX, or you may say animations, will continue to hold significance in an ever-increasing digital world. So in this round, you are going to find the movies, actually the name of movies, which movie it was from. Okay? Are you ready, boys and girls?
Yes, miss.
Let's see
Yes,
how many of
ma'am.
you are interested in movies also.
Okay, so we will complete this round, and after this round there will be a short break of 15 minutes, right? I'll tell the time.
Yeah, one more thing. In this round, no negative points. So correct answer, 10 points. No answer, no points.
Correct answer, 10 points. Okay, we go for 10 points in this round. Yes, team number 1. Which is this movie from? Team number 1.
Sir, Chandni Chowk to China.
Chandni Chowk to China. Means DPS RK to the parent country of COVID-19, China. Isn't it? Okay, so let's see. Yes, correct. It's Chandni Chowk to China. So 10 points. Now the girls. Who watches movie more? Sakshi or Riya?
Sakshi.
Sakshi, okay, very good. Yeah. Identify this movie.
Ravan.
Ravan or G1. Okay, Ravan. 10 points. Next, team number 3.
So ready.
Ready. Let's see. Okay, ready. Team 4.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yeah, correct. Team 5.
Chak De India.
Team 5.
Chak De India.
Yeah.
Chak De India.
Chak De India. Let's see. No, dear. It's goal 2. So 0 marks. Then team 6. Yeah. Kushagra and Tulip.
जब तक है जान.
जब तक है जान. Yes, जब तक है जान. So 10 points. So with this we come to end of round number 3. After this we have the scores as.
In this round, other than team 5, everyone have got 10 points.
So current status is team number 1 total of 20, team number 2 again total of 20, team number 3 leading with 50, team number 4 10, team number 5 40 and team number 6 with 50. Okay, so good luck to all the teams for the next round. This round is identify the IT personality round, right? In this round you will be shown the image of any IT personality. There will be hints. Without any hint, 20 points. Without any hints, 20 points. After the first hint, 15 points. After the second hint, 10 points. After the third hint, 5 points. One answer accepted only. Once you tell the answer, the question closes if it is wrong. If it is correct, obviously you get the points. Any queries related to the question? Without any hint, 20 points. With the first hint, 15 points. With the second hint, 10 points. With the third hint, 5 points. Image will be there on the screen. Means one option will be there for 5 seconds. Is it clear? Any of the teams, any queries, let me know.
Sir, is there any negative marking?
No negative marking.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Should I begin?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I start with team number. Yes. Team number 3. Will it be okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So team number 3. We will go 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Fine. So team number 3, your question and St. Charles students, that was not specially for you. It could have come for anybody, right? So don't feel that, okay, St. Charles got a Bollywood instead of, sorry, Hollywood instead of Bollywood. So it's a random
Yes,
option.
yes.
Yeah. Obviously, St. Charles is international. Okay, so question for team number 3. Identify the gentleman in the picture. First hint.
Sir Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos. Okay, 20 points. Team number 3. Next question for team number 4. Identify the person. Team number 4. Next hint. He is an American computer programmer, internet entrepreneur. He is the founder and CEO of Square, a mobile payments company. Correct answer is Jack Dorsey. He is the co-founder and CEO of Twitter. So team 4 gets 0. Okay. Next question is for team number 5. Identify the gentleman in the picture. Team number 5. Lucky team number 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wait.
He is the proprietor of Lotus Communication, a software company. He has also involved e-Nibandan portal registration. No. Next.
Sir.
Yeah.
Howard Kelmanson.
What?
Sir, Howard Kelmanson.
From where does he belong, dear? This person is a Rajiyite. It doesn't matter if the person is having a beard and he is with a foreigner. He is an English person.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Right? He is a fully Rajiyite. And this time, coincidentally, St. Charles got the person from Ranchi only. Okay. Anybody from the teams who wants to give the answer will not get any point.
Sir, I know he made the robot named
Mr.
Rashmi, but I
Ranjit
don't
Shrivastava. A man from Ranchi was developed the Indian robot Rashmi. Right? Okay, so team 5 gets 0 points. Next question is for team number 6. Kushagra and Tulip, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who is he? Born on February 24, 1955. See all the chairman and majority shareholder. Still not. Yes, now
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. So it's 5 points. Okay. Next question to team number 1.
Sir, we told the answer during second
hint.
No, in the third. When the third was on the screen, then only you told. 5 points. Next question for team number 1. Identify the person.
So Wilmot Reed Hastings.
Wilmot Reed Hastings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Wilmot Reed Hastings. Yeah, correct. 20 points. Okay. Next question for team number 2. Identify the person. Girls. Your answer, otherwise I come to the next. Next. Last. Is included in Times Magazine 100 most influential people of 2020.
Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai.
5 points. Should not have made so late. Yeah. Okay, so we come to an end of this round in which team 1 has scored 20. So team 1's total is 30. Team 2 total is 25. Team 3 leading with 70 points. Team 4 10 points. Team 5 40 points. Team 6 55 points. Team 1 total is 40. Team 1 40, Team 2 25, Team 3 70, Team 4 10, Team 5 40 and Team 6 55. I hope nobody has a query with the totals. Ms. Shalini?
Team 4 has
Yes,
minus
sir.
10.
Minus 10.
Team 4 has got 10, I think.
10.
10,
10 points.
10 points.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we come to round number 5. What was round number 5?
Company slogans.
Company
So
slogan.
Sir, sorry to. So can you please confirm team number 4 score, because according to us it should be minus 10.
No, minus 10. Then in round 2 again they got minus 20. Round 3 they got 10. So 10 plus minus 20 is minus 20 and 10. Okay, minus 20. Then they got 10. So it will be minus 10. Minus 10. Yes, it's minus 10. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now we come to round number 5. Round number 5, company slogans, right? Why do we need a slogan?
To promote a brand.
To promote a brand. Okay. Can you name any slogan?
ITEL Connecting India.
Okay. So what will happen in this round, that you will be shown certain slogans and then you have to tell the company or the brand which has owned that slogan or it owns that slogan, right? So you have to tell the name of the company which owns that slogan. Should we begin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this time we should begin from any of the team members whose date of birth is in July. July born is who?
203, Team 3.
Team 3.
Team 3.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we begin with team number 3. Last time we began from team 3 only. Yes. Okay, then we'll leave it.
Yeah.
Yes, Sharda Global.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so team 4. We begin from 4.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. 10 points. Next, team 5. Power team power. Time over.
No.
Digital India. Next, team 6. Nurturing young minds to innovate. Time over. It's Utter Tinkering Labs. Any of these schools have these labs? Any of you? No. Okay.
Sir.
It's an innovation by the government of India for robotics labs in schools. Okay, next question is for team number 1. The power to do more.
Sir, Dell.
Dell. So is it?
Yes, sir.
Dell. Yeah, okay, 10 points. Next, information driven, team 2. Time over, Oracle. Team 3, your potential, our passion. Your potential, our passion. Time over. Microsoft. It was not expected from you, DPS. Okay. Again, we have more questions in this round. We have more questions. One more set is there. This we are going to begin again in the same order. We will begin from this time from team number 5, right? So team 5, St. Charles, right? Get ready.
Yes.
The question for you: work hard, have fun, make history. Time.
Amazon.
Amazon, okay. 10 points. Team 6. Powered by intellect, driven by values.
Infosys.
Very good. 10 points. Team 1. Ideas for life. Time up. It's Panasonic. Team 2. Education made easy and effective.
Byju's.
Byju's? No way. It's extra marks. Your sponsors for the day. It's injustice to them. Okay, next question, team 3. It's what's happening. Time. Twitter. Okay. 10 points. 2 to 3 is which team?
2 to 3 Sansevia.
Okay, next question. Team 4 is left, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to update? Time up.
Instagram?
No, wrong. It's Adobe. Okay, so after this round, we have team 1 50, team 2 25, team 3 80, team 4 0, team 5 50, team 6 65. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, yes, sir. Could you please repeat, sir?
Ms. Shalini, if you could update us.
Team 1 50, team 2 25, team 3 team 25, team 3 80,
yes,
team 4 0, team 4 50, and team 6 yeah 50, and team 6 65.
Okay, so we have first DPS RK Puram, second Jindal Vidya Mandir, and third we have a tie between St. James and Charles. Okay.
Tie.
Okay.
Other teams, be ready. Now we have round 6. This is a pick and bid round. You have been given 8 options, right? Mobile brands, laptop brands, identify the logo, apps, fathers of software, emoji, and chat acronyms. You have to select either of the options. Remember, once you select an option, it's gone for you. Okay? Means the other teams cannot get it again. 2 questions will be asked. Correct answer will give you 10 points. Wrong answer, no negative marking. 5 seconds to answer the questions. We start with team number 1. You should be ready what option you have to select. Once it is selected, you can cross it that is not coming to you. Team number 1.
So mobile brands.
Mobile brands, okay. In this round, you will be told a model of a cell phone and you have to tell the brand or company which owns that mobile. Elugar A700. Yes? No answer? Okay. It's Panasonic. Next question. Narzo 20. Narzo 20. Okay. It's Realme. Next. Next team, team number 2. Team 2.
Chat acronyms.
Chat acronyms. Okay, let's see. You will be asked questions related to chat acronyms. You have to abbreviate them. And the chat acronyms are a problem for we computer teachers also. Public static void means students write PSVM. Isn't it? English teachers say, okay, U instead of Y or U, they write capital U. So it's good for your chattings, but not for the question. Yeah, TMI.
The meaning is?
Yes, the meaning is no. It's too much information. Next, TYVM. It's thank you very much. Next, team 3.
Sir, laptop brands.
Okay. Yeah. You'll be told a model of a laptop and you have to tell the brand or the company which owns that laptop. Region 55.
Sir, Lenovo.
Lenovo. Yeah, correct. Swift 3.
Swift 3.
Not Maruti.
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's see. Good, correct. Good. Next, team 4. Apps. You'll be shown an Android app and you have to tell what is that app used for. Use of the app you will tell. Right? Trimephonic.
Social networking.
Social networking? No. For classical music streaming. Fonto.
Camera app.
So photo editing.
Okay, it's text, adding text to the photos. Yeah, 10 points. Next, team 5. Team 5. Yeah?
Father of.
Fathers of.
Father of, okay. Father of GPS.
Ivan A. Getting.
Let's see. No. Next question. Father of cell phone.
Martin Cooper.
Let's see. Yeah, Martin Cooper, 10 points.
Sir, they are looking at something. They are doing this, and they are looking at their phones or something.
No.
How can you tell that?
Just lower down your camera.
Sir. So we are having just a paper and we are writing the marks test.
Okay. Next, team number 6.
Sir, emoji.
Emoji. Okay. What is this emoji?
Angry.
Angry bird.
No, sir, just angry.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, angry. Okay. Next.
Speechless.
Speechless. So what I am? Okay. So with this, we come to end of round 6. Okay. So after this round, we have the scores as team 1 50, team 2 25, team 3 100, team 4 10, team 5 60, team 6 85. Is it clear? No queries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we come to round which is the double trouble round. This round, before the question is asked, you have to tell whether you want to opt for the double trouble or you don't. If you don't opt for double trouble, correct answer will give you 20 points, and wrong answer minus 10. If you don't opt for double trouble, correct answer 20 points, negative or wrong answer, you lose 10 points. But if you opt for double trouble, correct option will just double your marks, that's 40. And wrong answer, again minus 20. So before I ask the question, you have to tell whether you want to opt for double trouble or you don't want to opt for the double trouble. I hope I am clear with my statements.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We start with team number 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to go for the double trouble?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best. There are 2 reasons why the @ was included in the email address. The first one, it is a rarely used icon. The second one, it means something in Latin. What does @ mean?
Sir, in.
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 Yes, sir.
Let's see. Yeah, correct. Last like we say, Santosh in stxavierschool.com. That's my email ID. So it stands for in. So 40 points. Next question for team number 2. Before I come to question, you want to go for or not?
No, we don't want to go.
No. Girls don't take risks. Is it like that, Shalini? Girls don't
No,
take.
sir.
The girls didn't take. Let's see. And again, this is a question by the girl only. The woman who rented her garage in Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1998, when they were creating Google, later became the CEO of YouTube. Name the lady.
Susan Wojcicki.
What?
Susan Wojcicki.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, correct. 20 points you should have opted for. Okay. Next question for team number 3. Do you want to go for it? Double trouble?
Double trouble.
Double
Yes,
trouble. Okay, let's see. DAS is a mirrored website of Google search with horizontally flipped search results, also known as Google Mirror. Name the website.
I don't know.
Time up. Okay, let's see. It's elbook.m. Right? If you type it, this is just a mirrored image. No negative marking. No negative marking. They have not told. Okay, so 0 points. Next, team 4. Do you want to go for it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. DAS is the longest word that you can write using the letters only on one row of the keyboard. Time up.
Don't know, sir. Don't know.
It's yes, DPS.
Typewriter.
Typewriter. No points for you also. Next question, team number 5. Sorry, I didn't ask. You can just respond yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the answer. Time.
I don't know.
Sir, don't know.
Okay. Would you like to have a Kit Kat break? The correct answer is Nestle. For the Android Kit Kat version, they had to. Okay. Okay. Now, next question for team number 6. Team number 5, you have done, no? Team number 5-0, I think. Now, this question, next question is for team number 6, right? Yeah. Would you like to go
Sorry,
for
double trouble.
and tulip?
Yes, sir. Double trouble.
Double trouble. Troublesome girl? Yeah. In May 1997, a supercomputer beat the then chess world champion Garry Kasparov, who had once bragged he would never lose to a machine. Name the supercomputer.
IBM Deep Blue.
IBM Deep Blue. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's correct. 40 points. Okay. So after this round, we have certain changes. Team 1, 90 points. Team 2, 45 points. Team 3, 100 points. Team 4, 10. Team 5, 60. And Team 6, 125. So now Team 6 is leading. Second is Team 3 and third is Team 1. Right? We'll again meet after a short break.
Welcome to Go to School program by Extra Marks, a bridge connecting schools to students at the comfort and safety of home. With Go to School by Extra Marks, teachers can connect with their students and conduct a live class anytime, anywhere. Extra Marks live classes are immersive, interactive, and enriching. Through these live classes, A teacher can create a school-like timetable to help plan and organize learning better. They can make use of Extra Marks' rich concept animations to simplify complex topics. They can teach from anywhere, anytime. They can also make use of a variety of teaching tools to create a real classroom-like experience. The classrooms enable teachers to cater to student doubts and resolve them within the class. What happens if a student misses class? These live classes are recorded and made available for later viewing by students who can replay, rewind, and revise at their own pace and space. Self-study is an important part of learning. To encourage self-study and develop greater comprehension of topics learned in live classes, teachers can create and assign worksheets, homeworks, and assignments which the students have to submit within deadlines established by the teacher. To assess learning progress, the teacher can also conduct weekly tests, thus fully enabling a virtual school for their students to learn, grow, and thrive in. Parents are also made equal partners in a child's learning journey through Go to School by Extra Marks. They can attend these live classes along with monitoring their child's progress through frequent updates and analytical insights. We at Extra Marks believe in the power of technology to create environments which can help us stay connected, engaged, informed. Go to School is one such ecosystem created by us because learning must go on.
Right. Okay, so we are in the last round. And till now, before we had gone for the break, the score was Team 1 with 90 points, Team 2 with 45, Team 3 with 100, Team 4 with 10 points, Team 5 with 60 points, and Team 6 leading with 125 points. So let us all clap for team number 6 once. Unmute करके clap होता है बच्चा लोग. Okay, so congratulations to all the teams, and let's begin with the final round, which is a round about which I don't know anything, right? The last round is खतरों का खिलाड़ी और खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी. So all of you have been, since when you started learning computers in schools, playing games in the computer lab, isn't it? All the students wish to play, means try to have the computer practical period to utilize it for gaming. Even parents have to major concern, like what happens in the computer when at the PTMs, parents normally says that दिन भर तो computer पे बैठा रहता है और computer में number लेके नहीं आता है, isn't it, students? So again, my reply goes that computer examination में we don't give question from games and we don't give questions from Facebook and Instagram and all other social networking. So this is one of the thing. Now this can give you marks now. And as I told, I don't have any knowledge about computer games. Gaming is the thing which I haven't understood in my last 20 years. So this round is totally dedicated to Ms. Shalini and my son Harshit, who have designed this round, right? So let's see this round. Shalini, you could take up this round now.
Yes, sir. Participants, in this round, you will be seeing a gaming character. You have to identify the character as well as the game. And each correct answer will give you 10 marks, which means if you are telling the character as well as the game name, 20 points, otherwise 10 points, okay? And no negative points.
Yeah. And
so we will start with
this question, right? 2 answers One is you have to identify the character and the game. Character 10 marks,
Computer game name.
game 10 marks, right? If you attempt solve both, 20 marks, anyone wrong, 10 marks only, no correct, 0 marks. Participants, any doubt? Okay, so we start with team number 1.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Identify the character and the game.
So team 1.
Sir, the game name is Minecraft and the character is Alex.
Character is Alex. Is it
And the
correct?
game name is Minecraft.
Okay, let's see. Okay, 20 points to team number 1. Next, team number 2.
Next.
Girls. You have your answers?
No, sir, we don't know the game.
You don't play games. Very bad.
No.
Okay. Let's see. Agent 47, Hitman 2. Next question for team number 3. Identify the character.
So Lara Croft, Tomb
Lara
Raider.
Croft.
Tomb Raider.
You are not clear.
Sir, Lara Croft of Tomb Raider. Tomb Raider.
Let's see. It's Ellie, the Last of Us. Was there, I think, studious was. What percentage you got in class 10th, Ishan?
Yes, sir.
What percentage you got in your boards?
Sir, 95.
95. And you?
So 97.8.
97. Okay, so it's proved that boys who do not play game score good percentage in the boards. So class 10 students, you can note it today that those students who do not play games, they only score good in the board examinations. Today it is proved. Yeah. Now, team number 4. Identify the character.
Trevor, GTA 5.
Trevor, GTA 5.
Is it correct? Okay. So,
Trevor.
Let's see. Yeah, Trevor, GTA 5, 20 points. Next question for team number 5.
Game name is
Adam Free Fire.
Adam Free Fire. Okay, let's see.
Yes.
Okay. Next question, team number 6.
Jack Subway Surfers.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay, correct. So 20 points to team 6. With this, we come to an end of the last round, round 8. And the scores are
Team 1, 110. Team 2, 45. Team 3, 100. Team 4, 30. Team 5, 80. And Team 6, 145.
okay. So congratulations to all the teams for being wonderful participants. Congratulations to team number 6, 209, Jindal Vidya Mandir. They have got the first position. Let's all of us give a big round of applause for Tulip and Kushagra. Second position is backed by team number 1, that is 223, Master Yuvraj Singh and Gurpreet Khurana. They have scored 110 points. Third position is backed by DPS Arkepuram, team number 203, team number also coincidence. They have scored 100 points. I don't know, I expected them to be the winners. You disappointed me, right? So team number 3 gets the third position, 100 points. Even St. Charles, they did very well. They came to 80 points. Team number 5.
Thank you, sir.
And Sharda Global, you also played very well. Winning or losing is not a big thing, but participation, that matters, right? Participation matters. So congratulations to all the participants, and all the best to all of you in your future life. It was a very nice time to listen to all of you. You were such a good audience, such a good participants, and all of you interacted very well. Thanks to all of you, and congratulations to the winners. We will have the quiz again next year, and we will be coming up with better things. Before that, may I request Father Vice Principal, Father Fuldev Soring, to express his views about the quiz. Father Fuldev.
Okay, good afternoon to each and all. I was very carefully observing all the participants, the anxieties that were going very high, restlessness, and many other things. But it was very, very interesting to see the participants who always cooperated with their partners. Okay, that was very good thing that I observed. Question was one on the screen, but there were two hearts, two minds working together. That constant support was there, and that is what needed in life. This was one event that St. Xavier's School conducted, where through this event, school connected many schools, many hearts, many minds, and many families that came together. That is what actually the world is. This is one example where we sat together, we thought together, we supported one another. That is the situation of life. And for last 8 to 9 months, this pandemic situation has made us to lead our life supporting one another. Okay, so my dear students, first of all, I would like to congratulate all of you, all the participants, not only the finalists, but all those who came for the first round, preliminary round, those who came and participated, because they helped you to proceed further for the final round. Therefore, I sincerely congratulate each and everyone, as Mr. Santosh Kumar, who said, this is not the matter that we participate to win or to lose. We participated to learn and to experience what life means. Today you are students, tomorrow you will be some professionals, you will be teachers, you will be big shots. Therefore, learn good things from every event, every situation. That will make you a bold person. That will give you confidence in life. Therefore, once again, I congratulate very much. Always wish, expect for the best. Don't be satisfied with the little, but always try to excel in your life, be it academic, be it your performance, or when you are involved in your professions. So wish you all the best. Enjoy your life.
Thank you, Father. Thank you for your valuable words.
Thank you, sir.
So once again, I would like to congratulate all the students. Congratulations to all the winners, and congratulations to all the participants. Thanks to the principals who sent you and who agreed to send you for the quiz, your teachers who supported you, who guided you in a nice manner, and thanks to the parents who agreed that, okay, students will be taking part, students will be coming to their friends' homes, and you are all together. So thanks to all of you, and moreover, thanks to you all students. Wish you all the best in your future. On behalf of St. Xavier's Computer Department, I and Ms. Shalini, thank you for your joint support. Hope to see you again next year when we will have the online IT quiz. Why not? Well, in this pandemic, if you can have, even in normal days, we will be having this online IT quiz. Is it fine to all of you?
Yes.
So next year again, we will be in touch, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe have Ms. Shalini also to say her thankfulness for the students.
Okay. So thank you all of you being here, participated in this quiz, and we wish that next year also you will be here and participate in this online IT quiz. Thank you very well. Thank you very much.